Yeah, I mean, the library is a public resource. It belongs to the community, and so we want the community to partake in what that means. And I do like to emphasize the fact that the goal of the social media ambassadors program is to raise awareness of the library. It's also a goal to raise the library's awareness of the ambassadors, of the library supporters, and social media is a really powerful way to do that. So yeah.
Have we done any events outside of APL, specifically in this endeavor, as far as trying to meet and greet some of our ambassadors?
We haven't done that yet, but we're planning on it, because what we're waiting for is the big moment in the history of Austin Public Library, which is which is the opening of the new Central Library. We launched the ambassadors program knowing that this new library was going to happen. We did it knowing that we were going to use that new library opening as an opportunity to bring the ambassadors together, or to encourage them to come to the library and share with us on that day, and also in the days and the years to come. So we're going to organize some in-person meetings eventually. And one little, I guess, teaser I can give you now is that we are planning to extend an invitation to the social media ambassadors to preview the new Central Library before it opens, so they can have one of the first looks. They can share it on social media, and this is going to happen. But you have to be an ambassador, but it might sound like we're trying to exclude people, but we are absolutely not excluding, because anyone can become an ambassador, and all you're really doing is signing up for an email list. That's all.
Yeah.